Let's cool down with our 5-minute routine for stretching. Started on our bottoms, we're going to extend one leg out to the side, and front leg is about parallel with your mat. Of course, we're sitting up nice and tall. Inhale, reach the arm up. Exhale as we side bend over. We're then going to reach forward, dropping that chest, feeling that stretch in the inner thighs, maybe your lower back as well. And then gently walk back up. We're going to then turn the torso and drop the chest over that straight leg. It's okay if you don't go very far. It's okay if your knee is bent a bit. Everyone's always at different spots. And then we come back up. And again, one more big side stretch. Arm comes down, back and around behind the back. So drop those shoulders down and back and really kind of tuck that arm behind. Open up the collarbones here. Head looks over to the left. Through center, over to the right. And back to center. Let's come out of that and switch sides. The one leg comes in and other leg comes out. Right arm lifts, inhale. Exhale, side bend. Back to center and we walk our way forward. Think about a flat back here rather than a rounded back. So you're lifting your chest rather than rounding. And help yourself back up. Whole torso twists, chest down towards the other leg. And again, a little stretch over. Deep breath in. And exhale. Lift the torso, right arm comes up again, side stretch. And hand comes back down and around. Help it kind of tuck behind your back there. We grow taller and look over the shoulder. Through center, look over the other shoulder. And back to center. Return to the side. Next, we're going to do my favorite, the figure 4, but this time in more of a seated instead of reclined position. So we're going to cross our ankle above the knee if that's available to you. If not, you can cross it down here. And then we're going to lift that knee. So we have a beautiful stretch into that hip. So you can stay up here, maybe rotate it at the wrist if that's more comfortable. You can also come down onto your elbows, but making sure your chest stays lifted and tuck the chin so your neck doesn't hurt, or on your back as usual. So here we are in a figure 4. We're going to flex the foot. And again, we're lifted up out of our shoulders. From here, we're going to drop our knees to the side. Getting even deeper into that hip, we rotate and push to the other side. So let's do this a few times. The closer that foot that's on the mat is to your bottom, the more intense you're going to feel that stretch. And let's switch sides. Hold it there for a minute, make any adjustments. Normal for one side to be more flexible than the other. We flex that foot, drop to the side, and other side. This is such a great stretch to do at any time during the day to release any stress or tension. Also really helps with lower back pain. All right, extend that leg. Let's come down onto our backs. Hug the knees in, releasing any tension in that lower back. Maybe a little rock and roll if that feels good. And then let's extend the legs long and extend the arms long. Reach the fingertips and toes as far apart as you can reach them from each other. Big inhale. And exhale. Let's take the arms out to the side, opening up from the chest. And then crisscross one arm on top of the other. Give yourself a big hug here. Maybe get those fingers underneath the back. Inhale. Exhale, keep the hug, but push the shoulders down. You're feeling this in your upper back and your shoulders, all through your arms. Arms out again to the side. And this time cross the other arm on top. Big hug, inhale. Exhale. Push the shoulders down and again, keep that hug. Take a couple more deep breaths. Extend our arms, palms up to the ceiling, long on our mat. I'm going to leave you here. Thanks so much for working out with me. Take a few more deep breaths. Do any more stretching that you need to do. And I'll see you next time.